Why did the Army drop SEPv4? Because the Abrams hit a limit. For decades, the formula was simple. Take the same M1 Abrams, add better armor, better sights, better electronics, better protection, and keep going. That worked through the Cold War, Desert Storm, Iraq, and beyond. But with the M1A2 SEPv4, the Army hit a limit. SEPv4 was supposed to be the next major Abrams upgrade. Improved sensors, better targeting, new thermal sights, laser warning systems, and more advanced electronics. But it was still the same basic tank, carrying more and more weight. By the time the M1A2 SEPv3 arrived, the Abrams had reached about 73.6 short tons, roughly 147,000 pounds, or almost 67 metric tons. And that number matters. Every new capability added more complexity, more electronics, more protection, more maintenance, more burden on transport, fuel, bridges, recovery vehicles, and logistics. At some point, an upgrade stops being an upgrade. It becomes a warning sign. So, in 2023, the Army dropped the SEPv4 program and shifted to a new version, the M1E3 Abrams. The SEPv4 path meant more systems on an already heavy tank. The M1E3 path is different. A lighter Abrams, a smaller logistics footprint, better mobility, and a design that can be upgraded faster as threats change. And those threats have changed. Modern tanks are not only facing other tanks. They are being watched by drones, tracked by sensors, hit by precision artillery, attacked from above, and exposed in ways Cold War designers never had to face. That means the next Abrams cannot just be thicker. It has to be smarter. It has to manage its signature. It has to survive drones. It has to be easier to move, repair, and modernize. That is why M1E3 matters. The Army says it will carry forward the best parts of SEPv4, but place them into a more modern, modular architecture. And if the old Abrams became too heavy to keep growing, the next question is obvious. How much weight does America's next Abrams need to lose?